Now, I'm not sure why, but for some reason in 2024, we're still making pants that were not designed to carry a phone. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean here. So these pants I'm wearing, these are bike pants, jogger pants, whatever you want to call them. As soon as you put your phone in your pocket, it immediately, it's a big roomy pocket, it immediately gets crooked. And that's super uncomfortable to do anything with. You can't jog in it, you can't run with it. It's just a really uncomfortable position. Your phone naturally goes there. Pretty much every time you drop it in your pocket, it just turns sideways. This is stupid, and I don't know why, again, in 2024, we're designing pockets like this. Given that pretty much every person is going to be carrying a phone. So, I'm going to show you how to fix it, and it only takes a couple minutes in a sewing machine. So let's get to it.
Dad, what are you doing with my stuff?
Now you will need to take your pants off for this next part. So
take your pants off.
And what you're going to have to do is decide which pocket you like to carry your phone in. Now, I personally carry my phone in my left front pocket always. I know a lot of people carry it on the right. I happen to carry mine in my left. So the pocket I'm going to be working on is my front left pocket here. And what we're effectively going to do is I'm going to take these pants and I'm going to pull that pocket part inside out. And that's how we're going to be working on this. Now, one other thing to note, you've got to decide as well on these nice wide pockets, do you want your phone to sit towards the left edge of the pocket or towards the right side of the pocket? This is going to vary depending on different pants, as well as how tall this outside part of your pocket is. On these particular ones, I like the phone to sit next to this seam, so more towards the outside of the pocket, not the inside of the pocket. So, effectively, I'm going to take my phone and slide it into the pocket, and now I'm going to pull the pocket inside out. So everything is completely inside out. Now, I know that the inside of this pocket with the phone against this, what is technically the outside seam of the pants, what I want to do is get the pocket laying nice and flat here and have the phone pushed over to the edge vertically, so it's not tipped or anything. So this is my whole pocket. This is that outside edge. And my phone, you can see, is just sitting here inside the pocket right now. So this is the orientation I want my phone to sit in. So effectively, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a fine point pen here, and I'm just going to put like a little bit of a dotted line kind of along here like so. And I don't need it to go to the very top of my phone. I just need it to go about 3/4 of the way, maybe a little over 3/4 of the way up. So I'm effectively just drawing a line down on the other side of my phone. Okay? Now we're going to take the phone back out of our pocket and we're going to head to the sewing machine. So let's get on the sewing machine. Now on your sewing machine, this is about as simple as you could possibly do. We're literally going to be making one straight stitch where we put that line. It really doesn't matter what color thread you have. I happen to have black on this machine at the moment. Make sure my bobbin has enough thread. It looks like it does. And again, make sure your pocket is free from the rest of your pants. You don't want to sew part of your pants on accident. But I'm effectively going to start right there. And this is literally just a straight stitch. Very, very simple. So doesn't get any easier than this when it comes to sewing on a machine. Again, I'm going to the end of where my dots were. I don't want to go too high because that would make the phone difficult to get in and out of my pocket. out. So what I've effectively done is just sewn right down that line where I put my marks. I just put one row of stitching to where I stopped. Okay? Now, what's nice, turn this back right side out. There's nothing on the outside of my pocket. I effectively now have what feels like two pockets inside this pocket. You can kind of see right there where I've stitched the pocket together. I now have this side and then this right side, right? And those are sewn apart from each other, so it's kind of like having two separate pockets. All right, so here we are in practice. This one's done. Just looks like a fairly normal pocket, but again, there's a seam in here now, and so when I go to put my phone in, I simply put it right there. And now the phone has nowhere to tip. So it's just gonna stay nice and vertical, right? A lot more comfortable to do just everyday kind of activities now that the phone isn't turned sideways or diagonally or whatever in my pocket, you know, or that way or whatever. So easy to get in and out, right? Again, I do have this other half effectively of the pocket. Could honestly fit the phone over there if I wanted the phone more towards the inside. I have room to do that. This pocket just happens to be wide enough that I honestly have two spots I could put it. So over there, maybe a little more secure depending what activity you're doing, but for just regular everyday carrying, I'll probably put it right there in the outside. And now this pocket is substantially more phone friendly and substantially easier to use. Now, again, as to which side you want your phone to sit is going to vary for different pants. This particular pair of pants happens to have a very, very short outside pocket. So the challenge I had with these pants was that every time you would sit on a couch or in the car or something, the phone would simply just fall out of the pocket altogether, which is problematic. So when I modified this pocket, I made it so the phone sits over on this side farther. So when I put my phone in here, I start that direction and slide it down like that, right? And now the phone doesn't tip or go anywhere, and it's not going to fall out because I have a stitch all the way to about there. So when I take my phone out, it's a little bit sideways like that, and I put it in like that. So that's it. Pretty quick, easy. So long as you have a sewing machine, you can do this in just a matter of minutes. Hopefully you found this helpful. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.